Fitbod Premium Strength Training App. The pros, the cons. The surprising truth about strength training is that progress doesn't come from lifting more weight, it comes from smart programming. That's exactly what Fitbod Premium promises to deliver: science-based workouts customized for your goals and equipment. So, does it actually deliver? Let's look at the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. Fitbod's biggest strength is personalization. After you input your fitness level, available equipment, and goals, the app uses algorithms to create adaptive workouts that evolve with your progress. Each time you log a session, Fitbod analyzes your performance and recovery to adjust your next workout automatically. Another pro is flexibility. Whether you're training at a fully equipped gym or at home with just dumbbells, Fitbod adapts instantly. The app covers everything from hypertrophy and strength building to endurance and mobility. Tracking is another major advantage. Fitbod logs every rep, set, and muscle worked, giving you detailed analytics on your progress over time. The visual data helps you see which muscle groups need more attention, ensuring balanced development. Now, the cons. While the app is brilliant for solo training, it lacks real-time feedback, so beginners may still need to double-check their form. The subscription cost may also feel high compared to free fitness apps, and there is no built-in meal or nutrition guidance. In conclusion, the Fitbod Premium app is like having a personal strength coach in your pocket. It's powerful, adaptive, and ideal for anyone serious about building muscle efficiently. If you're tired of guessing your workouts and want real data-driven results, Fitbod can take your training to the next level.